This isn't your average beach vacation. This is a sweet spot. We're talking perfect hiking weather, completely empty ancient ruins, and the jaw-dropping turquoise coast all to yourself. Seriously, November is Fethiye'S secret weapon, and I'm here to spill the secrets. Stick with me because we're diving into the absolute best, most thrilling things to do here when the summer crowds have finally packed up and gone home. Let's go. Now I've just arrived in Fethiye, Turkey, and here's my hotel right behind me. There you go. It's probably about 11 o'clock now in the evening, so I'm just gonna have a little walk around for 5 minutes and then I'll be heading off to bed because I've got to be up early in the morning. I think it's time to go to the room. I'm very tired. So I'm now in the hotel room. Let's have a little look around. Oh, a nice comfy bed. A little sitting area just there. A nice little dressing table to get myself ready. TV, suitcase. Let's take a look in the bathroom, shall we? Let me turn the camera around. Hey! Go and see what's in the bathroom. Oh, got a nice double wardrobe there, which is fantastic. And there we have the bathroom. Nice little shower, obviously the toilet, and the dressing table and things. Oh, there I am again. Hello. And there's my cute little room for the week. Oh, let's have a quick look at the balcony, shall we, while we're here. Okay. So it looks like we're looking out onto the dry docks, which are just behind me. And there is Fethiye. I'm looking forward to exploring tomorrow. But for now, I'm going back in. Good night. First things first, the weather is incredible. With highs of around 20 degrees Celsius, this place becomes an adventure playground. Forget sunbathing, we're here to move. Travel isn't just about sightseeing, it's about the food. You have the experience of the legendary Fethiye fish market. It's loud, it's vibrant, it's delicious. You can literally pick your fresh catch from the fishmongers, and then the restaurants surrounding the stalls cook it for you right there on the spot. It's the freshest meal you'll ever have. And if you're here on a Tuesday, don't miss the Mammoth Tuesday market. Forget the tourist trinkets. This is where the locals shop for incredible spices, fresh produce and Turkish delights. Get ready to bargain.
Well, it's my second day in Fethiye, Turkey, and I'm just having a walk around. Yesterday I didn't really do anything, I just I sat by the pool and chilled out. But as you can see, there's miles and miles of harbour line. I'd say coastline, but it's not, but it's harbour line. And just a little bit down there, there's so many boats that you can get boat trips to the 12 islands, which will be absolutely beautiful, which I think I'm going to do tomorrow. But I'm just going to keep walking, I'll show you the sights, and listen to my wonderful voiceover.
The coast is calling. Even though it's November, the famous Blue Lagoon is still ridiculously beautiful. The crystal clear waters, it's cooler, but it's still perfect for relaxing on the beach with less crowds. And here's just a quick heads up on the weather. November is beautiful, but you might get a little bit of rain. The showers are usually short, but definitely pack some layers. A light jacket for the evening and an umbrella just in case. So there it comes, Fethiye in November. Zero crowds, incredible value and perfect weather for adventure.
Wasn't that singer amazing? Now don't forget to follow him on Instagram. In a little while I'll show you where all the boat trips are. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. And when I say 100, I mean 100. So you'll be spoiled for choice to do the 12 island tour. And I'm sure it's going to be absolutely amazing. Hopefully tomorrow, fingers crossed, if I've got enough time, I'll go on it and enjoy the tour. As you can see, there's so many beautiful restaurants, so you can get some typical Turkish food just there. And I'll take you to the market in a little while. There's so many goodies, I should imagine. This is the beginning of one of the outdoor markets. Let's take a look. And just on the opposite side of the street is where all the boat tours go from. I said I'd show you, so here it is. We'll have a quick look down. Now don't forget people, it still is November. It's only the 3rd of November and there's so much to do here. So if you want to come to anywhere out of the summer months, come to Turkey because it's a little bit quieter. There's not so many screaming kids and there's still plenty to do. As you can see, the boat trips, they just keep going. You won't be spoilt for choice. There's so many. All down the harbour side. I don't know, which one shall I choose to go on tomorrow? I don't know. I'll probably opt for the cheapest. No, I think they're all about the same price. They're all roughly about 1,000 Turkish lira, which is probably about £30. I think it's about £30 to go on a boat trip to the 12 islands. There's also the daily sunset boat trip. So if you fancy going to see a sunset, there's that as well. Some of the boats are massive. And this is only day two. Only day two. And there's so much more to explore. I think there's a Fethiye sign down there. I'm going to have to go in front of that just for memory's sake. Well, just enjoy the bit of B-roll, guys. While I'm trudging over to the Fethiye sign. I'm exhausted. I shall sleep well tonight. Oh no, there's two people just stood in front of the E. Anyway, let me see. Can we see it? Is it there? Let me get a little bit closer. And plus it's in the shade so I can see. Is that it? There it is. I'll flip the camera around so it's spelt right at least. So I've just been and bought some snacks for the hotel, and if you want to buy a boat, there's so many for sale here, so many luxury yachts and things like that. So if you fancy one, guys, get yourself some luxury. There's so many. Now, what I will say, I decided to walk back from the marina and to my hotel. It's about 1 hour's walk, which is great to get those steps in. So if you wanted to go to the marina from where I'm staying, you'd have to get a taxi or you can get the local bus, but I decided to walk, guys, because it's so easy. And like I said, I do like a little nibble while I'm watching something a little bit later. Who knows, I might go home, get changed and venture out a little bit later, but I feel like just chilling out tonight, to be honest. I've walked so much along the marina, and if I wake up early enough, I shall go on the 12 island boat tour. But don't hold me to ransom if I don't go. I'm just admiring all of these boats and yachts and canoes and everything in the background for sale. Who knows? Shall we purchase one? I'm being attacked by a bush. So guys, after the long walk back from the harbour, which was absolutely beautiful, you could probably spend a full day there, you know, walking down there or getting a bus or a taxi down there, having something to eat and enjoy the boats, having a look at the boats, maybe going on a boat trip and stuff. But for me, I've walked there, walked back, and I'm pretty tired, to be honest. I've got my snacks. I'm gonna go back to the hotel and probably just retire for the evening. But one thing I will say, and this is with absolutely no prejudice whatsoever. If you are coming to Turkey, remember they do pray, guys. They pray in the mornings, in the evenings, and whatever other times, and it's over a tannoy, so you can hear them. So if you don't mind that, which I don't, you know, you can enjoy your time in Turkey. But I think they woke me up about 6 o'clock this morning, and there's just been another one over the tannoy, which is about 8 o'clock. Like I said, my ignorance, I'm not quite sure how many times they pray, but just be very aware of that when you do come to Turkey. And like I said, you know, we're a bit out of season, so it's very, very quiet, which is amazing, you know, because I'm sure if this was in season, there'd be lots of hustle and bustle, and you probably wouldn't be able to hear me talk. But here's very quiet, and I think it's about 7-8 o'clock, so even though it looks very light on my camera, it's actually not. The sun's going down just in the background. I'm not sure if you can see it, maybe, I don't know, but it is going down. I think it's about, oops, about there somewhere. I think that's the moon coming up or going down, whichever way. But like I said, I'm probably just gonna go back to the hotel room and just relax for a little while, because tomorrow I want to be up early. I want to get on that boat trip. I want to see the 12 islands. I know it's all in one day, but it'll be nice to go and actually experience something. So until tomorrow, have a good evening. Don't forget to keep watching.